crude oil weekly inventories, one of our favorite trades of the week. Got short, 45.59. Plenty of room to get filled at this price. If you want to hold your order, hold your limit, and are you concerned about getting filled or slippage in a fast market? Not really that fast of a market. You know, we had one blip down from 46 to 45.55. That's 45 points. That's a decent sized move, but it hit the breakout point, and then it was pretty slow after that. So 50 points, and then it managed to chop slowly down, fairly slowly down over the next 42 minutes. Another 70 points. Did it $70 or 70 point $700 profit target, 44.89, and so you could have gotten filled on your limit order there. Your profit target would have easily been filled on a limit order. The thing about crude oil is limit orders are more easily filled. They take in 0.01 increments, and the market depth is not as big as, say, the E-mini S&P. So if you're looking at slippage and commission, but even if you are, we're talking about 182 average trade profit and 700 today, and so we've shared this strategy with you for a while, and it continues to make equity peaks. So if you're enjoying this strategy, I have another strategy for you. It is the crude oil after hours trader. By the way, this has only worked for the past year and a half. If you go back before this, it doesn't work, and so it's kind of a new pattern. A lot of times you'll see patterns in the market emerge, and they'll just work really well. They'll get on a really hot streak, and your maximum risk would be the maximum drawdown, $2,000. That's pretty good. If you're going to trade one contract of crude oil and you want to risk $2,000, you jump on this and use about a $2,000 trailing stop loss. And at some point it probably won't work as well, but you ride these things when they're hot, and it's a hot pattern right now that works well. The crude oil inventory report used to chop. A lot of reports chop and don't go anywhere in a wide range, but crude oil tends to trend, and so they've broken out of that choppy range, choppy pattern into a more trending pattern, and crude oil moves well. And I like crude oil, and I recommend crude oil trading systems right now. In this market environment, tends to have the best moves and is easiest to trade. And the crude oil after hours trader, here are the results since about that same time frame. A little bit bigger drawdown, and it basically takes a breakout after the 2:30 close, 2:30 Eastern time close, until this time frame, until 5 o'clock p.m. close. And a lot of times when the old pit session at 2:30 closes, that's the official closing price. The market could break out after that point, and I've noticed that, and we continue to hold that even overnight or over the weekend. You could get out on Friday's close and get back in on Sunday evening's open if you didn't want to hold it over the weekend. But as a low percentage profitable, because it's a $300 stop loss, just like the inventory report strategy. And so you see the results here. Here's the equity curve. A little bit choppier. Good time to get in. I'm going to have these in the bonus section of the members area for the algorithmic trading systems. I'm going to put the code there in TradeStation and eventually NinjaTrader. I want to show you some more trades on this. Here's a recent trade. See, this is the after hours. Got in at around 15 minutes, 2:45 the other day, and hit his profit target there. I thought that crude oil would be moving higher, but it's not. So, but these systems are calling some good shorts. There's another trade. Got short at almost 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Held that overnight. Some of the best trends are overnight. And this one was over the weekend, I believe. So, yeah. So you could have held this one. You would have had to hold this one over the weekend, which is sometimes a scary thing to do. So what you could do is you get out the close. If you got the very close, it'd be 49.12, and the high so far this week was 49.08. So if you would have put your limit order in, you would not have gotten filled. That's one of the keys. You know, you might want to get out before the last minute. So if you get out at the second to the last minute, the close is 49.06. If you put your limit order in on Sunday night at 49.06, you might be thinking, oh no, I'm missing the move for the week. but it did come back, hit 49.08. You would have gotten filled, and so that's one way to trade this market. One way to exit if you don't want to hold positions overnight. Overnight's not a big deal because the market's only closed for an hour, but over the weekend it could be a big deal, and it could be kind of make for a more stressful weekend. So if you can find a way to exit at the close on Friday and then get back in on Sunday night at the same price, it would be less risk and less worry. But it hit the profit target from Friday's trade through Sunday. So 3 trades in a row there, and this one's recovering. And I want to show you the 15-second Cobra. This one's on our website too. It's positive today, short. It's very aggressive. You know, this thing will change positions really quick. Short, long, short, but up 890, mainly short all day. Only a small period of time when it was short during the inventories report, I guess. Had some of the patterns for the long signal in there. So you see that. So those are some of the strategies that I recommend. You're going to trade the weekly inventories and the after hours breakout. These are what I recommend. I'm going to have those in the bonus area for algorithmictradingsystems.com. If you haven't signed up, you can do that. Let me show you where you can do that. If you go to algorithmictradingsystems.com, it will take you to this page. And if you sign up here, you get links to the videos that I'm talking about for the code for the weekly inventory. And I will have those in the members area as well. And you can do this. If you fill this out, you get a free, the chapter 6 free from my book. It's going to be emailed to you and send you the links for the crude oil report as a video for that. And you can then have an offer to buy the book and also have access to the members area. But if you bought the book on Amazon, let me know, and we can set you up with access to the members area, and you'll have more information. You'll have the software where you can download it, and you'll have access to these bonus strategies that I'm talking about. You'll have the code for those where you can download them. So I'll have those there soon. Let me know if you have any questions.